Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with another new Google Ads account, suspended account restoration case study. And the account was that your account doesn't comply with Google Ads terms and conditions and policies, which was a reason. And it took us, to be really honest, it took us to approximately 90 days to get it returned. You may be wondering, 90 days is a lot of time. So this isn't the case because this took us a lot of time, because we had to overview the account. There were several changes required of the account, including changes on the website. There were some claims which was on the website which was causing the issue, and then there were some account coding issues, and then there was some location targeting issues happening in the Google Ads account. And then there was another thing, account, that Google thought that there was a payment fraud happening in the account. So there were multiple things on the account, and when all of the things combine together, it can create a mess. And so such was the case with our client. And we are very thankful to our client, who was patient, supportive, and throughout the procedure helped us in every possible way, including providing every possible document, and including the possibility of accepting the changes we suggested on the website, on the ad copy. And then we also had to do a manual discussion with the Google team regarding the restoration of the account. And now I'm going to show you the account, and then I'm going to discuss further on this. Okay, for those who don't know, we operate multiple MCCs, and you can have an MCC ID over here, because I am showing now this account, and there are accounts in various other MCCs as well. So in case if I show that, and if you can't find this account over there, so that can be the reason over there. Okay, you can see that your account is unsuspended. So let me show you on it. So you can see now that the account is have started spending, and started getting clicks as well. And you can see over the notifications, the notification is that your account is unsuspended, and your optimization score dropped 33%. The account optimization is still required to get the maximum out of the account. But what I'm trying to say over here is that even if it was suspended for the account doesn't comply with Google Ads terms and condition policies, and your account also had payment issues, even then, if there is any issue, whenever your account is unsuspended, you are going to see the error that your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run. So you can see the customer ID over here as well, and I can do even the refresh as well, so that you guys have an idea that this is not something I'm copying, or this is not something doing with recording. It's all real, and you can see over here that account is submitted. So this is another successful case study regarding our client. And yeah, the account is targeting the first tier countries. So yeah, we are very happy with this. And in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Ads management, restoration management services, the details are in the description of this video, and how you can reach with us and work with us. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Take care, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And lastly, this is our teamwork, so I like to appreciate my team as well. So thank you, take care, and bye bye.